Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. For today's vlog about reality bites check. Kasi kung may reality progress, talent search, alamin niya natin yan. And subscribe na to your YouTube channel. Kung gusto kong mag-like, share, subscribe, and views, mag-subscribe naman. Dapat abutin ng 130 plus. Kaya supportan natin me. This is vlog 165, episode 165, entitled Reality Check Bites. Here's your vlog! Okay, simulan natin. Una man natin ay malapit na matapos ang show. Watch this. Cookie system matatapos na to this Sunday on the big night. And the top 10 are Annie Salvacion, Samantha Bernardo, and Brenda Mage, Isabel, Nathan, Michael, and Zach, and Gab, Rob, and Stephanie. I love that. Dahil top 10 na natitira, but only 5, not 4. That's 5. Kasi sabi na announce ko yesterday sa Pinoy Big Brother's social media account, top 5 or big 5 ang aabutin sa big night. Kaso, bakit si Eliza Valdez di nakasali? Kasi, na-voluntary exit, nanunungkot ako. Kaya nandiyan na po yesterday sa Pinoy Big Brother. Ano siya? Dati na siya housemate ni Kuya from the celebrity house. Nag-guest lang siya. Kaya, I miss you, Eliza Valdez, and hoping to good luck para makapasok. My big 5, Aji, Zach, Isabel, Gab, and Rob. Pero di pa sure. Malaman natin yan. And now for the new show, watch this. Idol Philippines Season 2. Next month na po magsisimula kung saan we have a returning judge, Asian Summer with Jim Malasis Alcacid, the Philippines' most string hits female artist, Moira De La Torre, and the new judge, Tadawayan, Porok ni Edgar, vocalist, Chito Miranda, and Mr. Pure Energy, Gary Baldacel, replace 2 of the male idol, Judge Vice Ganda, and James from Season 1. And the new host of Idol Philippines for Season 2, wala iba kundi si Robbie Domingo, replace Billy Cropper. Robbie Domingo. Sino kaya Yes! At sino man mapapano? Malaman natin yan. Simula ng Idol Philippines Season 2, replace Pinoy Big Brother. Excited kayo na Idol Philippines na replace Pinoy Big Brother by June 2022. Yeah, supportin natin yan. And that's it for this week. But before the end of this month, panoorin natin para sa ating Gabby's Video of the Day. Panoorin natin. Ang ating video of the day is Muse! Trendy dahil nasisira ng sandal. Sa video niya sa social media account, habang nagarampa ni ate, tapos nagtatumbling. Then, ayun, tuloy, nasira yung high heels. 2 high heels. Sayang naman. Dapat, next time, miss, mag-rubber shoes na lang. Sana wag na po yung high heels during opening ceremony na isang rampa na ate. Kaya sa na-post kayo sa social media, guys, ang galing mo. Kaya, saludo po sa iyo sa mga nasa video yan. Kunan to ng account ito from a Facebook and Instagram post. That's it for this week's vlog. Sana wag na pong mag-high heels. Sana na lang. Sa beauty pageant na lang. Pero wag na po sa mga thumbnail. Hope to see you next vlog. Mag-rubber shoes na lang. Bye-bye, God bless.